Perhaps those who may be among us tonight for the first time may be wondering what is going to happen now.
Hold him close, petals of a rose, thorns as well, friends and foes have no fear.
Don't you trust, you must trust.